our celebrity band. Everybody here, of course, to the effort of our Honorable Mercedes K. Alvarez, together with Mayor Paul Alvarez, Vice Mayor John Paulo Alvarez, we also have Honorable Ralph Alvarez. And of course, we would like to say, we'd like also to mention Honorable. Ato na? Siyempre din may cue na nyo kung last time na natin. Once again, we would like to ask the audience na distansya namin sa lamisa. Dito sa Bukado, feel ko no, kailangan ka each sa table. Wait lang. Alright. So we'd like to ask the understanding of the audience to please wait na tayo.
Hi, Erika!
Okay? Because we will have the countdown. And after sila, we will be change over Calabade. So once again, we would like to say thank you very much and welcome all our dear Honorable Vice Mayor of the municipality. Let's have Honorable Vice Mayor John Paulo M. Alvarez.
Si ST member Nika, si Alan si board. Arada, sorry, kaputol galit sa iyan, no? Si board member also. Okay, so thank you again, no? Notice na siguro na wala pasubong sa covered court. Miskan ay covered court or wala ang love, ang passion, ang enjoyment talaga po niya sa kanilang lugmon niya. Whatever happens niya, ang festivities na continue niya niya. So basta ilog! Thank you! Start up! 3, 2, 1, go!